finally over as the makers of Tamasha unveiled the much-awaited trailer of their film at an event in Mumbai on Tuesday. The lead actors Deepika Padukone, Ranbir Kapoor and director Imtiaz Ali attended the trailer launch along with producers Sajid Nadiadwala and Siddharth Roy Kapoor. During the launch, Tamasha actors Ranbir and Deepika spoke about everything from their personal lives to their on-screen chemistry and of course a bit about their movie while interacting with the media persons. Watch some of their interesting replies here.
I learned a lot working with Deepika. We started our second film together, Bachna Hai Sino. फिर हमने जब जवानी दीवानी की थी, वो बहुत बड़ी hit हुई थी. And I think I got to learn a lot just to see her growth as an actor. क्योंकि मैं वो 5 साल के बीच we never worked together. लेकिन जब हमने वो फिल्म में काम किया, तो just to see her grow as an actor and to this extent was really heartwarming and was really encouraging and really inspiring for me. तो मेरे लिए Tamasha is very special, to come with this team together. And I really hope that the people give the film a chance at the theaters and they enjoy the film. I think in the movie, what you see, the characters Ved and Tara, when they meet in Corsica, they decide that, we are here for this period of time. Let's just not give our identities out, because what happens is everything becomes routine. I will tell you who I am, you will tell me who you are, then this will happen, then I'll hit on you, and then finally we'll have an affair, and then you'll fall in love with me. So they just wanted to really have the time of their lives, and they wanted to do it with abandon, without any judgment, without anything. We all want to do that in our lives. Sometimes it's not possible, that's why we make movies about it. But I believe that whatever film Imtiaz Ali makes, he has done it in his life for sure. It's very good. And I'm extremely happy about it. But like Deepika said, now it all depends on Tamasha. If people don't like Tamasha, God forbid, then people will probably think that our chemistry is not so good. It's also so dependent on success, on the way we've performed, on the way the film has been perceived. So it's all film by film. But I'm really happy that people have liked our pairing together, and I hope that they continue doing so.
Such a long list, yaar. If I had to choose one, I think Barfi. No? Can I justify that right now? I don't know. I don't think it'll be right for me to say, oh, this is the difference between that character and this character. You'll figure that out when you watch the film. But the film itself is completely different. The characters are completely different. Everything about the film is different.